Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Monday, April the 12th, 2010, and we have another short for you today. Yes, another one. Okay, check this out. Let me get rid of some of these marks so I can bring them up there later. All right, we're coming off the overbought slow, 80 point, but main thing here is you got the high point here and the high point here is trending lower, while at the same time high point here and here is trading higher. That's a bearish divergence. Don't trust those upside moves like that, and I want to be shorting that. Today's close on this stock, the stock is ticker symbol TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. The close is 10.59. I want to be shorting at that price or higher if I can. You'll notice we've got this bull trap that I've referred to before. Basically, she'll trend in this diagonal tight pattern, and then one day just bloop out of nowhere she just fall straight through it. And I'm looking for that to happen here. You'll notice I've circled this inverted hammer right here, this candlestick. That's very bearish signal right there. We've got one right here as well that draw a line between this point and this point. If this were the actual high, which is possible, there it is, then we have ourselves a downtrend developing, and I would be looking for that, like I said, to just break down and go to a new low. Where you exit is up to you. I basically, if you're not a full access member, I can't, provide you any further detail on the exit point. Just use the 50-day moving average line as your exit point for a long or a short. That's an easy way to do that for this, okay? You also notice if you move on down here, we've got volume fading while price is advancing like that. Not a fan of that. Any technical analyst will tell you you do not want to trust advances that it goes up while volume goes down. All right, and we're bouncing off to 79 of the RSI. So just all in all, I'll be watching this thing. Now the markets, like I said, we got earnings coming out. First quarter earnings start tonight start today with Alcoa coming out after the close. They're going to report. That means the overall markets are going to move from one day to the next based on the news that it's provided. It's going to be really choppy, and unless you've got a stomach for that type of thing or you've done your research and you know what you're holding, a lot of people just basically step to cash and weather the earnings season. If you don't want to do that, well, then you can use our free alerts, or you can sign up on our website for full access to see what's in my portfolio, or as well as gain access to our small cap alerts. One more item of detail before I show you where to stop this guy out. If you go to our website, you'll notice that we now have a link for Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. If you want to follow us on either one of those, you can go there, click, boom, do all the stuff you do. It's really awesome. I really like the Facebook one. Of course, I like YouTube as well. Twitter is just a little bit too constricted for me. I mean, they only allow me to post 140 characters. That's kind of, I need more than that, or I would prefer more than that. So anyway, regardless what you do, refer your friends. Thank you for making us as popular as you have, and continue to do so, please, and I'll continue to serve you the best I possibly can. Okay, for stopping this guy out, you'll notice the previous high is 1169. You can set a stop 1 cent above that. I don't think you'll break out of that, and I would just use that. If you don't like that, if that's too much risk for you, you could also lower your stop down here to this 1098, 1 cent above that high, and set it 1099. Some concern with that, though, is we do have unfilled gaps along the way. We got one here, one right there. So you could see a move to the upside, especially if the market's doing crazy stuff during this earnings season. So if you set a real tight stop, you don't risk much, but you increase the odds of being stopped out before she breaks down anyway. So you do the math on that. Okay, regardless what you do, refer your friends. Take care, enjoy the evening, and again, thank you for making PerfectStockAlert.com as successful as it has been, and we know you will continue to tell your friends about it. God bless, enjoy the evening.